Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today what I'm going to be going through is making money through smashed LCD TVs. You can make money through the LED, plasma, any smashed TVs. These TVs I'm picking up for about £10 a piece. I got 4 of these in the box, brand new, smashed Amazon return TVs for £30. So less than £10 each. Now this one is brand new. It's a brand new Samsung UHT 7 series TV. Now all that is wrong with this TV, you'll see the stickers and everything's still on it. All that is wrong with this TV is the panel was cracked in transit. Now you can pick these TVs up in your local area on Gumtree, Facebook for £10, and all you're really doing is taking the back off and taking the boards off and selling them on eBay, and you're making quite a lot of money on the board. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the back panel off and show you the boards and how much we can make on these boards. Okay guys, so the back of the TV is off, and so basically these parts are brand new. The TV was cracked in transit, so we know that these parts are going to be good. There's quite a lot of money here to be made with the parts here that you're seeing. Now this is the main logic board. Okay, and to get the number of the main logic board, it actually tells you the model on the top of the board, and all you really need to do is type that into eBay and price the board up, and I usually just put it a bit cheaper and it sells actually really quite fast. Now this board's probably going to be worth around £50, maybe even more, and I'll check that and I'll show you that. We've got, this will be the Wi-Fi dongle. We'll be able to make some money for that, probably about £20. We've got the speakers, the LVDS cables. Now these are worth around £20 as well. And then you've got your main power board, which is around £30 to £50. And then we know the backlights of this TV are going to be working as well. And the backlights are really quite dear on these TVs. You're speaking about £100, so you could be looking at around making about £200 with parts on this TV. Okay, it's simple. It takes a couple of minutes to take the back off the TV, unscrew the parts, look them up on eBay, and then you'll be able to see what they're worth. We've also got the sensor here for the remote control sensor button. So yeah, it's quite a lot of money. So I only paid a tenner for this one, under a tenner. We've got the 4 brand new TVs smashed for £30, and I'll just show you me looking up these parts to see what they're worth. Okay guys, so on eBay just now, the model's up the top there. So we're going to type the code in from the top. You'll see there BN41-02635. So I'll just type it in here. BN41-02635. 02635, and we'll search that. Okay, so some of the prices here for Samsung UE49U, some at 50. So then we want to make sure that's the main board for this TV. So the actual code for this one is BN94-13295R. So I'll just type that code in. One, 3, 2, 9, 5 R. So there we have it. So just for the main board for this TV, there's one up at the top there, 53.98, and then there's another one there for 100. Now these ones here, these are not the right ones for this TV, so it's not going to be them. So the only free match in this TV, oh, just clicked out that by mistake. So the only free match in this TV is these three here, the BN94-132, what did I see? 13295R. So 2 at 50 and 1 at 100. So I'm going to list mine for £50, and that board should sell pretty much straight away because it's going to be the cheapest on eBay. So there's £50 already from this TV. It's the same model number. You'll see there. UE43NU7400U. Exactly the same code and board. So that will sell for me £50, and that will sell pretty fast. So that's the first board that we've checked. Okay guys, onto the power board, and your code on the power board is up the top here, BN4400947C. I'll just type that in as well. BN44-009 00947C. And the thing is, my boards are brand new. They come from brand new TVs because they were smashed in transit. The other ones have probably been used. Okay, so we're looking at around £30 for the power board. So I'll list that for around £30, and I should get quite a fast sale on that one. So that's us up at £80. Let me just check, because you need to check to see if it's got the right REV as well. you'll see there it says L40E6, and up there it's got L40E6 as well. And then it's got Rev 1.1, so you need to try and find that on the board as well, just to make sure that matches. And yet it matches here, Rev 1.1. So that's a brand new board. These ones are probably used, but I'll put mine up for 30. So that's taken us to £80 on this TV so far. Okay, then we've got the speakers, guys, and I've just typed in the model number speakers, and there's a pair there going for £12. So I'll put my speakers in there for £10, and that'll be us sitting at £90 on this TV so far. Okay guys, I've looked up these ribbon cables, the TV model number and the ribbon cables, and the ones I can find here are $23.98. Okay, so we'll add that, that's 110. Remember, my cables, my ribbon cables are brand new as well, but I'll just put mine at 20, so 110 there on this TV. Okay, we've got our Wi-Fi adapter and our sensor at the front. These are only working out around, say, £10, so that'll bring us up to about £120 so far on the TV. Okay, and the last thing that I'm going to be salvaging from the TV is the backlight, and these backlights are going to be brand new again because these were damaged in transit, brand new TVs. You can see there for for the two backlight edge strips there, it's £40. Okay, so we're at 120, so we're at about 160 for the parts in this TV, and that's me selling them the cheapest on eBay. So I'm going to get these stripped, I take nice pictures, get them listed up on eBay, a nice quick £160 from a less than £10 TV, and I've got others there as well. So guys, if you've got any smashed TVs, I would advise just breaking them down, putting them into parts and making a good bit of cash. And you can also pick up these TVs for £10, you can get them for free. You can make a lot of cash if you're stripping them down for parts. Thanks for watching the video. We do have a group on Facebook, it's been growing. It's LED and LCD Side Hustle Support Group. If you're interested in joining, just leave me a comment. I'll send you the link. Please subscribe and support the channel, and I hope this video has helped. Thanks guys.